Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. Do you want to apply online just by using ChatGPT in an amazing method? So let me show you how to do that simply and step by step. And first of all, just you can head to this awesome website that's so called chatgpt.com. And when you land on this awesome tool, you can feel as you land on ChatGPT in incognito browser, where you can use a non-ChatGPT without any strings attached. So you can use a non-ChatGPT for free, you can use it everywhere, and even without any sign up. And of course, I will leave a link down below in the description box in the first comment that contains a lot and a big list of ChatGPT alternatives, including a non-ChatGPT. Anyway, here in this awesome tool, you can ask a non-ChatGPT to give us a list of the best-selling books in any niche, in any genre, like comedy, art, literature, policy, economy, and so on. So in our today's topic, we can ask a non-ChatGPT to give a list of the best-selling books in comedy, for example. So give me a list of the best-selling books in comedy, for example. And of course, you can specify more your prompt by mentioning the date, like 2021, 2022, and so forth. And now, as you see here, a bunch of the best-selling books in comedy section. As you see here, it's everyone, and so on and so forth. And now let's move on to the next step in today's method. Just you can select one of these beautiful books, these comedian books. So like this one, for example, Me Talk Pretty One Day by David Sedaris. Okay, copy. And now we can ask this awesome tool again to give us a blog post or an engaging summary of this amazing book. So we can ask it, book, for example, Control V. Okay. As you see, it's awesome summary or a blog post. You can use it later on any website that talks about this awesome comedy book. Okay, perfect. And now we can move on the third step in our today's topic, that you can get this entire summary or this engaging blog post. Okay, copy and go to medium.com, one of the best websites for bloggers and writers to share their ideas and their stories about any topic, about any niche. So you can sign up for free in medium.com and share your ideas and your summary that we have taken from a non-ChatGPT. I talk about a lot of books in different genres. Okay, so here Control V, as you see. And now, of course, we gotta insert an engaging and attractive title of your story here in medium.com. So we can go back to a non-ChatGPT and ask for an attractive headline for your blog post. So we can ask, give me an attractive headline of my perfect. As you observe, so now we can copy this headline and go back to our medium.com, Control V, as you see. So here we got our title, attractive title that talks about this awesome comedian book, and this summary, as you see. Now a good question comes up, how we can monetize this article or this summary, Raymond? Here you can monetize your article in medium.com by going to this one, audible.com. Here you can find a huge library of the audio books, almost for every single book in amazon.com. As you see, audible.com. And of course, you can join its affiliate program, this Amazon Associates program. And the best part here, when you promote your Audible book of any book you summarize on a non-ChatGPT, so if every single person who clicks over your link, sign up for audible.com for free, you will get $5 as a commission without selling any book, as you see. So if every single reader who want to listen this audiobook of your book you shared on medium.com, you will get $5 immediately. If he signs up for a free trial membership, you will get $5. And furthermore, if he would sign up for a golden membership, you will get $10 at once, as you see. So you don't have to sell any book or to sell anything, just you can give him a free trial to listen the audiobook of your book that you share on medium.com. So just you can join this affiliate program, Amazon Associates program, and go to your landing page here on audible.com and promote this landing page, or you can give him the link of your audio book for free. Just he listens to it and signs up the free trial on audible.com, and you will get $5 immediately. So for example, if we look for this awesome book, comedian book that we have taken from the first step in Amazon, so here you can search for it. Okay, audio book. As you see here, you can find this audible book of this awesome book. Therefore, after sign up in Amazon Associates, you can get the link of this awesome audible book and paste here in medium.com, and of course with a powerful call to action, so you can try and listen to the audiobook of this awesome book as you see. So if any reader clicks over this link, he will be directed to this free trial of audible.com program. He signs up and listens to audiobook, and you will get $5 as a commission. That's simple. So of course, to get your call to action, just you can go to Anon ChatGPT again, and here you can ask for a powerful call to action. Give me 3 calls to action to promote an audio. As here, give me 3 calls to action to promote an audiobook of this title of your book. So he can listen to it for free. So now we can enter, and just a few seconds later, this awesome tool gives you 3 call to action. As you listen to the side splitting adventures of for free, download the audiobook today and get ready to laugh out loud, and so on and so forth. So you can get this one, for example, that's more engaging a little bit. Copy and go back to our Medium article. So after every single paragraph, just you can Control V and you can hear, and here just you can make it bold a little bit and link it with your affiliate link from audible.com associates program, as you see. Perfect. And of course, you can make this entire process and share the same article in some websites that are like medium.com, like this one, livejournal.com. Here you can share your articles that contains your audiobooks affiliate links. So here you can get a summary or a blog post from Anon ChatGPT or any other ChatGPT alternatives. Therefore, you can get your audiobooks links from audible.com. So if every single reader clicks over your affiliate link, you will get commission $5, or furthermore, for every premium member, you will get $10 at once. So it's awesome method to make money online just by using ChatGPT and the Amazon Associates program. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.